Isn't it a wonderful day when you can come in the shop and see two of the craziest cars out right now, the Red Eye and the 392 Jeep. But we got some crazy stuff happening back here at the Toro today. I cannot wait to bring it to you, but sneak peek at the cars.
Soundstripe.
What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, you guys. And you can see I'm back at Bosworth. Like always, you can pretty much catch me here almost all the time when I'm not at work. You can see I got a whole lot of cars in the shop. I just took a Tesla and a Subi out as well. But we got some wrap jobs finishing up here on a Jaguar. Got a Honda with a bigger turbo. We got a Donk. We got a what I call a SEMA truck, and you can see hopefully white, satin white. I can't wait until this gets done. We got Big Sherm's car, the Donk, alright, and of course the young CEO herself. Alright, make sure you subscribe to her channel. You'll see her on the channel here soon. And then I always find one of these. It never fails. I think it's just meant to be a red Z06 stage 1 cam, all of that good stuff, man, with the carbon fiber package. But let's pull Toro in here and see what's going on.
Yeah, that was 38 an hour plus 3. That's a territory.
And we are going on up. All right, you guys, you heard how loud the car really is, man. But we're gonna go even louder. We're gonna go ahead and cut out the resonators that are sitting right there, you guys. Chad's gonna cut these out, realign everything, make this work. Kind of it's not even restrictive anymore just because of what's done to the car. So I don't even know if I'm gonna notice a huge difference in sound, but I figured why not go full send if we're gonna take everything off and go at it that way, you guys. So let me know what you think it's gonna sound like, man. You know, I'm not even a big sound person, to be quite honest. But let's let Chad come in here in a second and let's get to work.
Soundstripe.
Bet you guys have never seen this before. Alright, you guys, we got it lined up. Now he's about to take it and put it on the ground to do the welds. Yes, he's OCD and a perfectionist. I actually just learned something, which is actually crazy when it comes to the actual exhaust itself. But like I said, he's going to take it on the ground, going to get to working on it, and then of course I'll start it up, let you guys hear it. But of course, you guys, we're at Bosworth. Man, I just had to look at Marcus right quick, where you can see they do everything from PPF to wraps to upgraded turbos to exhaust. Literally anything you want, they can take care of you. Make sure you tell them that I sent you for everything that you can possibly need. Of course, that goes on in the background, but it is what it is. But stay tuned. Let's see what it sounds like when it comes out. This car is extremely loud now. It's almost obnoxious. And if you know me, you guys, I'm not like that loud person. I don't care if the car is loud. Loud doesn't always mean fast. And those drag cars that are loud actually don't even have an exhaust, and that's why they're that loud, right? I cut the resonators off just to hear what the car sounded like now that everything's done with the car, etc. And I can't lie, it's loud, right? It is beyond loud, like crazy. But the drone in the car, I can't even hear myself think. And before I cut the resonators, there was no drone with how the exhaust was set up. And I can't lie, I think I made a bad decision. I've literally been thinking about it all day, about taking it back and putting the resonators back on. I'm not gonna lie. It's not for me. You know, I did enjoy the loudness. It's cool and all, and I think it'd be fun to pull up, etc. But again, that's not me. I'm not that loud person. I want the car to perform, right? So like, I don't know, you guys. We're gonna see. You may see another video of me putting them back on, but at least for now they're off. I may get used to it. Who knows? But the drone is just like, I normally play my music on like 8. I'm having to put it on like 12 to 20, and it's ridiculous, right? But it was raining a little bit, so I didn't get some flybys or anything. But hopefully you guys are gonna be able to hear the car here, like right now. And it's almost got I'm gonna call it a struggle sound. I don't like it. It's almost so raspy that it's annoying. Again, to each their own, you guys. You guys gotta understand everything is done to the car. I'll drop that video later in the week. But I think we're gonna go for putting these things back on, because before I took them off, I loved the sound. So if you have any work done, I would highly suggest having some sort of resignator or, you know, something, because the car does need a little back pressure to perform. That's what the exhaust system is for. But yeah, we're probably gonna no-go this, and it is what it is. Excuse me. If you like loud, by all means, man, that's super cool for you guys. You know, everybody to each their own, right? I wish I could get some flybys. I just didn't have anybody with the camera, and like I said, it basically been raining all day, and I'm not gonna risk spinning out on the middle of the road somewhere because it's wet literally everywhere. But let me know what you guys think. It's one of those things that everybody is different, and like I said, for me, not that kind of a loud guy. Now, it didn't even change as far as like pops and cracks. If I get on it and let off downshift, it does pop and crack still, all that good stuff, right? Which, you know, I like. I'm not a huge pop and crack guy, like, you know, crackle, whatever you want to call it, for like BMW. But, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I'm letting you literally tag along with me almost the entire time through this build, and being as transparent as I want to be, or at least I can be right now. So let me know what you think in the comments, you guys. And of course, everything 1320 happens on this channel. Make sure you lock in, subscribe, all of that good stuff. This Sunday, I will be dropping a video with the giveaway in it, man. So make sure you stay tuned. Because I'm going to drop, well, it's being recorded on a Wednesday. I'm going to drop it on Friday so you guys can see it. And have enough time to know that the giveaway is happening on Sunday. So stay tuned for that, man. And that's a wrap.